Ever wondered how to turn all your captions into a title file in Premiere Pro? Well, this is very simple with the latest update of Premiere Pro. Hi guys, I'm Pixel Sammy. Welcome to this newest video. If you guys are interested in video editing and all those things related to it, this is the channel for you. So make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and let's get started. So ever wondered how to do the thing where you turn the captions, auto-generated captions, into a normal title layer in Premiere Pro? Well, before this, it was not possible. You had to manually do that and type it out. So all you have to do is just open Premiere Pro, generate any kind of auto captions with this particular auto caption method. If you guys don't know how to create the auto captions in Premiere Pro, I have a video for that too. Link is there in the description below. Once your captions are done, all you have to do is just select the entire layer, go to this panel right here, and then just upgrade captions to titles. That's it. With the latest update, it is just in a click of a second, and you guys can put all your other effects such as cross dissolve, any kind of animation, color changes to it. If you guys want to create those harmonic style videos, if you guys want to create some amazing reels with it, with a faster way to do this. With that being said, if this is something that helped you, if this is something that is going to save you guys a lot of time, do make sure to comment down below your thoughts on it. If you guys like it, then do make sure to share this with your friends and like this video. I'm Pixel Sammy. We'll be back with a new video soon. Peace.